Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I included this product links in the description to find the most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. Razer BlackWidow Elite Mechanical. The Razer BlackWidow Elite is everything you need an elite mechanical keyboard to be. It boasts programmable macro keys, beautiful backlights, and other highlighted features only premium quality keyboards have. The Razer BlackWidow Elite is a versatile keyboard, built for convenience and increased productivity. This keyboard boasts programmable macro keys, which offer several productivity-related benefits. It lets you assign custom actions to diverse keys. The BlackWidow Elite has what it takes to make gaming more enjoyable. Programmers and coders are also not left behind. The keys are super responsive and precise. So, if you want a keyboard that lets you type fast and accurately, the Razer BlackWidow Elite is an excellent choice at this price point. A reliable keyboard that supports over 80 million clicks, the Razer BlackWidow Elite comes built with top military-grade material that ensures durability. Even when you drop it on the floor accidentally, you can pick it back up in one piece. The backlights are super bright, and it makes pressing the keys in low light conditions a breeze. You can also program the lights to suit whatever game you're playing, or any color of choice. I have included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and share with your friends. Until next time, hope you all have a great day.